Today we're going to harvest the onions. Oh, look at that. Big one, Daddy, eh? There's a big one over there. Wow, red onion. That's yellow. There you go. Can I pull some?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Look at that. This is white onions. Wow, this is one's big. Some red. Huge. Look at this, guys. I think you need another container, Daddy.
I'm gonna trim all the heads off.
Oh, okay. Because there's still a lot over here.
Maybe we will need a second.
I'm gonna get the other container. More harvest. I'm helping my husband. Onions. It's a lot. I thought it's only like maybe one container.
I told you we planted a lot of
We got 2 containers now, eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that big one. Just wait one here. Oh, what happened? Wow. Wow, this is another second container.